Avalanche value equivalent to 812 rands a coin. The present cost range 775.39 861.34. The earlier day close 819.78. The change was 1766 215%. Converse rate ZAR to Avax. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2024. To start with, cost at 848 rands. Exorbitant cost 1,053, while low cost 848. The founder middle value of cost 933. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 984. Change for July 16%. Avalanche estimate for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 984 rands. Exorbitant cost 102.21, while low cost 984. The found the middle value of cost 1,083. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 141. Change for August 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 141 rands. Exorbitant cost 1E417, while low cost 1E41. The found the middle value of cost 1E256. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1E324, change for September 16%. Avalanche figure for October 2024. Initially cost at 1E324 rands. Excessive cost 1E324, while low cost 1E1942. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1E255. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1D228, change for October 73%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 1E228 rands. Excessive cost 1E335, while low cost 1D161. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1E243. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1E248, change for November 16%. Avalanche gauge for December 2024. In the first place cost at 1E248 rands. Exorbitant cost 1E248, while low cost 1,084. The found the middle value of cost 1T187. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1U1U66, change for December 6%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at 1U166 rands. Exorbitant cost 1U1U66, while low cost 952. The found the middle value of cost 1E77. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1D24, change for January 2%. Avalanche conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at 1D24 rands. Excessive cost 1D24, while low cost 848. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 952. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 912, change for February 9%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2025. At the outset cost at 912 rands. Excessive cost 968, while low cost 842. The found the middle value of cost 907. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 905, change for spring 0.8%. Avalanche gauge for April 2025. To start with cost at 905 rands. Exorbitant cost 975, while low cost 847. The found the middle value of cost 910. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 911, change for April's 7%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at 911 rands. Excessive cost 911, while low cost 774. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 857. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 832, change for May 7%. Avalanche figure for June 2025. Before all else cost at 832 rands. Excessive cost 1,333, while low cost 832. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 916. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 965, change for June 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost cost at 965 rands. Exorbitant cost 1T49, while low cost 911. The found the middle value of cost 976. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 980, change for July 16%. Avalanche estimate for August 2025. First and foremost cost at 980 rands. Exorbitant cost 1,066, while low cost 926. The found the middle value of cost 992. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 996, change for August 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2025. Before all else costed 996 rands. Excessive cost 1207, while low cost 996. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1082. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1T128, change for September 13.3%. Avalanche figure for October 2025. Before all else cost at 1E28 rands. Excessive cost 1T151, while low cost 1001. They found the middle value of cost 1089. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1E76, change for October 4.6%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2025. At the outset cost at 1E76 rands. Excessive cost 1,170, while low cost 1,016. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,089. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 1D93, change for November 1.6%. Avalanche conjecture for December 2025. At the outset cost at 1E93 rands. Excessive cost 1E357, while low cost 1E93. They found the middle value of cost 1E203. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1E268, change for December 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 1E268 rands. Exorbitant cost 1E378, while low cost 1E98. They found the middle value of cost 1T283. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 1T288, change for January 1.6%. Avalanche gauge for February 2026. To start with cost at 1E288 rands. Exorbitant cost 1E401, while low cost 1E217. They found the middle value of cost 1E304. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1E309, change for February 1.6%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 1E309 rands. Exorbitant cost 1E423, while low cost 1E237. They found the middle value of cost 1T325. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 1E330, change for spring 1.6%. Avalanche figure for April 2026. Initially cost at 1E330 rands. Excessive cost 1E4 at 78, while low cost 1E284. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1T368. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1T381, change for April 3.8%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2026. First and foremost cost at 1E381 rands. Exorbitant cost 1E714, while low cost 1T381. They found the middle value of cost 1T520. Avalanche